Tech Future. Explore the future today.
Welcome to Tech Future. In this episode, we'll take a look at the groundbreaking inventions you need to see. The SP80 is set to revolutionize the world of sailing speed records. Conceived by a team of enthusiastic engineers and students from Switzerland's prestigious ETH Lausanne campus, this ambitious project aims to achieve a target speed of 150 km per hour. The initiative, launched in 2018 by Xavier Leers, Benoit Gaillard, and Mayul van den Broek, merges cutting-edge engineering with the thrill of kite surfing and sailing. To withstand the tremendous forces at such high speeds, the SP80 incorporates design elements from motorboats, utilizing heavier materials and structures. The team's commitment to innovation is evident in their unique foil design, which is essential for breaking the 100 km/h power barrier. While the exact cost of the SP80 remains undisclosed, the project has attracted significant capital investment, underscoring its potential impact on wind sports and maritime technology. The hydrogen Hyperion XP1 is a hypercar that advocates for a more sustainable future while breaking new ground in speed. With an impressive 0 to 60 time of 2.2 seconds and a top speed of 221 mph, the XP1 exemplifies the possibilities offered by hydrogen power. Its propulsion system showcases the potential of hydrogen as an environmentally friendly energy source for the automotive sector, beyond just its raw speed. A carbon titanium monocoque chassis and an aerodynamically streamlined profile give the XP1 both aesthetic appeal and practical advantages. A high-voltage fuel cell and axial flux motors allow this vehicle to do more than simply drive. It can glide. However, this new technology comes at a cost. As a limited edition masterpiece, the Hyperion XP1 costs nearly $2 million. It is more than just a vehicle. It represents both the past and the potential future of transportation. The Starliner SL25 is a luxurious motorhome with a space-saving yet feature-packed design that deviates from the usual. This powerful, pocket-sized rental property includes 2 queen-sized beds, a car garage, full automation, and premium features. Constructed on a chassis comprised of 7.5 tons of Iveco daily, the SL25 features a monoshell body made of glass fiber reinforced plastic. The interior space is expandable thanks to the inclusion of 2 SL slide-outs. The Starliner SL25RG executive model, with an interior length of 9.2 meters, offers a lounge area, a dinette, a full kitchen, and a full bathroom, providing sleeping and seating for 4 people. Even when used on city streets, it remains fully functional despite its size. LED lights, external storage, a large awning, a skylight, slide-outs, and the garage door are all fully mechanized. The state-of-the-art autonomous robot, Ascento Guard, is poised to revolutionize the security sector. Developed by Ascento Robotics, the company recently secured $4.3 million to enhance security operations using AI and robotics. Specifically designed for outdoor patrols, the Ascento Guard can effortlessly navigate various terrains with speed and precision. Among its many high-tech features are thermal, RGB, and infrared cameras. It also boasts self-charging capabilities and a battery life exceeding 4 hours without human intervention. The robot can operate continuously thanks to its all-weather capability and safe walking pace. Through Ascento Robotics service offering, businesses can rent the cutting-edge Ascento Guard for as little as an hour, significantly reducing expenses. With its reasonable pricing, Ascento Guard is within reach for companies looking to enhance their security. The Voixatch smartwatch combines the useful features of a smartwatch with those of a smartphone, designed to keep you connected without needing your phone. It is the first smartwatch in the world with LTE, GPS, and a detachable Bluetooth headset. With its 1.3-inch AMOLED display and ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, this wearable device guarantees fluid performance and vibrant images. The innovative bezel-mounted Bluetooth earpiece is the focal point of the Voixatch's revolutionary all-in-one design. The bezel detaches with a twist and raises, making it easy to wear in your ear. The 530 mAh battery provides 3 hours of call time, ensuring you are always prepared for your next call. The smartwatch also charges the headset. Voixatch emphasizes personalization, allowing you to change the bezels to 4 different colors to find the one that suits you best. Kickstarter backers can purchase it for as little as $179. The Cryptide Sneaker exemplifies cutting-edge design and 3D printing technology. German designer Stefan Henrich conceived these shoes, inspired by legendary cryptids such as Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster. The sneaker's unique open-toe sole is designed to create unusual cryptid-like prints. The CCH-S2 system is ideal for laser sintering this product due to the flexible TPE material used in its construction. The Cryptide is more than just footwear, it makes a bold statement. The shoe achieves a perfect balance between flexibility and structural integrity, thanks to its varied wall thickness throughout, and its ergonomic design guarantees comfort. Although it is a technological marvel, the Cryptide sneaker has proven to be just as elusive as the creatures it seeks to emulate, with a lack of transparency surrounding its price. For the most daring pogo players and thrill seekers, the state-of-the-art Vurtego V4 Pro pogo stick stands out. Unlike typical playground toys, this high-performance pogo stick is expertly constructed to carry riders to incredible heights. Jumps of up to 10 feet are possible on the Vurtego V4 Pro, thanks to its adjustable air-powered spring system, suitable for riders weighing more than 75 pounds. The astounding performance of this pogo stick has earned it 11 Guinness World Records. A longer slide shaft and a self-lubricating bushing provide the Vurtego V4 Pro with powerful bounce and long lifespan, making it ideal for big air stunts. Priced at $499.99, the Vurtego V4 Pro guarantees enjoyment and excitement with its unparalleled power and build quality. It has received rave reviews and is available for purchase on Amazon and other online websites. The BMW Dune Taxi is an all-electric off-roader making waves in the automotive world. Designed to conquer desert dunes, this prototype vehicle showcases BMW's innovative approach to electric mobility. It is equipped with dual electric motors that deliver a powerful 536 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque, ensuring thrilling performance on any terrain. The body of the Dune Taxi is crafted from natural fiber-reinforced polymer, which not only dampens vibrations more effectively than traditional materials, but is also environmentally friendly. With 400 mm of wheel travel, it promises an exceptionally smooth ride, even on the most challenging surfaces. The BMW Dune Taxi is reported to be priced between $76,000 and $78,000. This bold and innovative machine is a testament to BMW's commitment to pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology and design. Tokyo-based company Bionic M has created the innovative BioLeg electric prosthetic, designed to help amputees walk, stand, and sit more fluidly with improved stability and less cognitive strain. It also reduces tiredness. This revolutionary prosthesis weighs around 6 pounds and has a battery life that lasts all day. The breakthrough feature of the BioLeg is its ability to enhance the user's mobility experience through the integration of artificial intelligence and motor power. The FDA has granted the device Class 2 exemption, allowing it to enter the US market much faster than expected, with a launch scheduled for late 2024. Regarding pricing, advanced bionic prosthetics in Japan can cost over $80,000, while the BioLeg is anticipated to retail for about 1/3 of that amount. Though still a substantial investment, this makes it more affordable. The SkySurfer Aircraft represents a vision of the future of personal transportation, blending small size, power, and efficiency. This all-electric VTOL vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, is designed for individual use. When folded, the SkySurfer can be as compact as a piece of luggage, offering unmatched portability. Developed by Hunter Cow, the SkySurfer has attracted significant interest from aviation enthusiasts and industry investors. A recent Kickstarter campaign raised over $35,000 from 38 backers, demonstrating strong interest in this groundbreaking flying vehicle. For those looking to soar above traffic and embrace the skies, the SkySurfer is an accessible option, with pricing starting at approximately $20,000. Its construction uses carbon fiber and other industrial-grade materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The Rotor R550X is an advanced multi-mission unmanned helicopter with a wide range of potential uses. Built on the sturdy Robinson R44 chassis, it boasts a useful load capacity of 550 kilos, making it ideal for heavy-lift operations in any weather, including low-light situations and restricted vision conditions. Powered by Cloud Pilot, a human-supervised autonomy technology developed by Rotor, the R550X features complete fly-by-wire controls and can land automatically. It delivers class-leading performance with a top speed of 211 km/h and a range of over 15 hours on a full tank. Although Rotor Technologies has not revealed pricing specifics, they expect deliveries and commercial operations to begin in 2024. This state-of-the-art technology promises significant improvements in both safety and operating efficiency for light aircraft. The Rezvani Vengeance blends top-tier luxury with military-grade defense, offering a fearsome yet refined vehicle. Starting at $285,000, the Vengeance features a roomy interior that can accommodate 7 people and comes standard with a V8 engine. For those seeking extra security, the optional bulletproof package includes bulletproof glass, explosive protection for the underside, and an electromagnetic pulse protection system. Interior features such as heated and ventilated leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and cutting-edge technology like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a rear-view HD camera are just as impressive as the exterior. The Vengeance also offers a steel ram bumper and winch, adding both functionality and style to its formidable appearance. Each Vengeance is as unique as its owner, thanks to customizable features that can drive the price up to $782,000 for the fully armored variant. The RaceBird, developed by SkySurfer Technologies, is a groundbreaking innovation designed to be the world's first high-performance all-electric foil racing boat. Constructed specifically for the E1 World Championship, it is built for speed, efficiency, and competitiveness in head-to-head competitions. Powered by a 150 kilo battery, the RaceBird can reach a top speed of over 50 knots. Successful water tests have demonstrated its ability to lift onto its foils and glide over the water at high speeds. This vessel represents a significant step towards accelerating the decarbonization of the maritime sector and promoting environmentally responsible marine technologies. The RaceBird is not only a racing boat, but also a symbol of a future where the marine industry operates in harmony with the world's waters. The ELEGOO OrangeStorm Giga is poised to disrupt the 3D printing industry with its enormous build volume of 800 mm by 800 mm by 1000 mm, offering a solution for printing massive models without the need to slice them into smaller pieces. This industrial-grade FDM printer features multi-nozzle printing, allowing up to 4 nozzles to operate simultaneously, maximizing output. Its 64-bit quad-core CPU and rapid printing speed of up to 300 mm/s make it 6 times faster than its rivals. The heated bed reaches 90 degrees in just 17 minutes, and the strong cooling fans ensure excellent results. With an anticipated retail price of approximately $2,500, the ELEGOO OrangeStorm Giga will be accessible to both serious hobbyists and small enterprises, despite being introduced at an early bird price of $1,250. Experts in designing Mars rovers have developed the innovative Turtle Rover, a waterproof programmable RC land drone. Its adaptability, durability, and personalization options make it ideal for a wide range of indoor and outdoor uses. Operable remotely from up to 200 meters away, the Turtle Rover can be guided by an app powered by a Raspberry Pi. The internal battery provides up to 4 hours of driving time, offering ample opportunity for exploration and tasks. There are 2 primary variants of the Turtle Rover available for purchase: a kit and a fully assembled design. The kit version, which requires assembly, costs $990, while the fully assembled Rover is priced at $1,972. Transportation expenses are not included in these prices. At this price point, the Turtle Rover is accessible to students, teachers, and professionals seeking a powerful and programmable robotic platform. What do you think about these amazing inventions? We're looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like our channel and subscribe.